Hi people of the earth! Welcome back! So ngayong araw may panibago na naman tayong pag-uusapan. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? Huwag na natin itong patagalin. Let's go!
Hindi na makalaya, dinadalaw mo ko bawat bili. Aray ko! Aray ko! Ayan, ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang tax. Itong sales tax. Ito ay ating obligasyon sa gobyerno at ang tax ay nangangahulugang idinadagdag na bayad. Sa bawat bili mo, yung binabayaran mo, hindi lang talaga yung actual price noong product. May dagdag na yun na tax. So in short, mas malaki yung binabayaran mo due to taxes. And para mas malinaw, tingnan natin ito. So, pag sinabi nating sales tax, ito yung dinadagdag na kabayaran sa price ng isang goods or service. And itinacharge ito ng retailer sa mga end consumer. So, tayong mga mamimili. Tinatawag din natin itong VAT or Value Added Tax. So, ito ay obligasyon ng bawat Pilipino ayon sa batas. So, kung makikita natin dito sa halimbawa, isa itong resibo sa isang kilalang fast food chain dito sa Pilipinas. Ang total na binayaran niya is 455 pesos. So, yun yung binayaran niya sa kanyang kinain doon. And, makikita natin sa bandang baba ng resibo, kung chinecheck nyo mga resibo nyo, makikita nyo to. May tinatawag na VAT sales. So, ibig sabihin yung VAT sales or yung vatable sales, ayan yung tunay na presyo ng product na binili mo. So, ang talagang tunay na price ng binili niya is 406.25 pesos lang talaga. And because of this VAT, ang binayaran niya ay 455 pesos na dagdagan. So, yun yung tinatawag nating VAT amount. Yan yung tax na binayaran natin sa gobyerno. Okay? So, makikita niyo sa resibo nyo, ang total mong binayaran ay 455. Kahit pa ang tunay na price ng product or service ay 406.25. Kasi may 12% VAT dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya nadagdagan ang binayad niya ng 48.75 pesos. So, yan, makikita nyo dito. Ngayon, paano nga ba natin kinocompute itong sales tax? So, gaya ng ating previous lesson, pwede nating gamitin ang magic triangle. So, same lang sila ng logic na sinusundan. Kung saan, ang mga laman niyan is yung ating tax, yung actual price, at yung tax rate. Okay? So, same thing, pag ang nawawala is yung ating sales tax, i-multiply mo lang ang actual price sa rate ng sales tax. Pag ang nawawala naman ay actual price, then you just divide the sales tax by the rate of sales tax. At pag ang nawala ay ang rate ng sales tax, i-divide mo lang rather ang sales tax at ang actual price. And since ito ay rate, multiplied by 100 para maging percent. So, yun yung ating magic triangle para magawa itong mga formula na ito. So, tax actually means the sales tax. Yan yung dinagdag na bayad. Actual price is yung tunay na presyo. And rate of sales tax, yan yung percentage na idinadagdag kung bakit naging ganon yung sales tax. Upang mas maintindihan natin, subukan natin i-apply ang mga formula na to by completing this table. So, makikita natin sa ating row 1, nawawala ang sales tax. Which means, according sa ating magic triangle, pwede natin siyang computein using the formula actual price divided by the rate of sales tax. So, again, before we substitute, tandaan, laging naka-decimal form dapat ang percentage. So, yung 12% na rate of sales tax or yung VAT is gawin nating 0.12. Let's substitute. 15,000 multiplied by 0.12. If you multiply that, ang makukuha niyong sagot ay 1,800. Meaning, pag bumili ka ng isang product or nag-avail ka ng isang service na may actual price na 15,000, may babayaran kang extra dahil sa ating tax, which is 1,800 pesos yung extra mong babayaran. In short, ang total price or ang lahat-lahat mong babayaran sa 15,000 pesos actual price ay makukuha sa pag-a-add ng actual price at yung nadagdag na sales tax, which will give us 16,800 pesos. So for a product or a service that costs 15,000, you need to pay a total of 16,800 because ang VAT nun or ang sales tax nun ay 1,800. So yan yung nagiging computation sa atin, especially sa Pilipinas, kasi lahat ng products and services natin may 12% VAT. Kaya nagiging ganyan ang ating binabayaran. Sagutan natin yung row 2. Dito sa ating row 2, ang nawawala ay yung rate of sales tax. So ang formula na gagamitin dyan ay sales tax divided by the actual price, and since yan ay rate, multiplied by 100 para maging percent. Okay, let's substitute the actual price and the sales tax. 150 divided by 3,000. It will give us 0.05. And multiplying that by 100 para maging percent, ang rate pala ng sales tax applied in this case ay 5%. Which means ang total price na babayaran is, we just need to add the actual price and the sales tax, 3,000 plus 150. Ang total mong babayaran dyan ay 3,150. Let's try row 3. Dito yung actual price ang nawawala. Alam natin yung rate of sales tax na 8%. At ang babayaran nating sales tax ay 60 pesos. Magkano kaya yung presyo ng actual price ng aking biniling product or in-avail na service? So, pwede natin gamitin ang formula na sales tax divided by the rate of sales tax. Again, convert muna natin ito sa decimal form, 0.08. And simply, substitute or ipalit lang natin dun sa formula yung rate of sales tax at yung sales tax. So, we will have 60 divided by 0.08. And the quotient of this one is 750. Which means, sa actual price na 750, kung may 8% yon na rate of sales tax, magdadagdag ka ng 60 pesos as sales tax. Kaya ang lahat-lahat mong babayaran by adding the actual price and sales tax ay 810. So, ganun lang tayo nagko-compute ng taxes. At dapat ito alam natin kasi tayo ay binabayaran natin ito. Kahit tayo estudyante pa lang, nakakapagbayad na tayo ng tax. Especially pag bumibili nga tayo sa mga fast food resto. So, may binabayaran na tayong tax simply by purchasing their goods. Or kahit by availing services, may binabayaran na tayo ng sales tax. Kaya very important na maalam kayo mag-compute ng tax na binabayaran nyo. Kasi, pera nyo yan. At, para mas makita nga natin kung maalam ka ng mag-compute ng tax, try nating sagutan itong table na ito. Just pause the video, solve this table, and pag may sagot ka na, go back here. And let's see kung tama ang sagot mo. Ayan, mukhang nakabalik ka na, ano? Mukhang tapos ka na magsagot. Tingnan natin kung okay ang iyong sinagutan. Unahin natin ang first row. Sabi dyan, actual price ay 200 with sales tax of 30. Ano kaya yung rate of sales tax? So, pwede natin gamitin ang formula na rate of sales tax is equivalent to sales tax divided by the actual price multiplied by 100 since ito ay percent. So, ang sales tax natin ay 30. Ang actual price ay 200. We just need to divide 30 by 200. It will give us 0.15. Multiplied by 100 para maging percent, ang rate of sales tax pala dito ay 15%. And ang total price na iyong babayaran dyan ay malalaman natin by simply adding the actual price and the sales tax, which is 200 plus 30. Therefore, ang babayaran natin is 230. And tingnan natin yung kasunod. So, dito naman ang nawawala is ating sales tax. At alam natin ang actual price at yung rate of sales tax. So, masasolve natin yan kung tatandaan natin yung magic triangle. We just simply multiply the actual price and the rate of sales tax. Which means, gagawin muna nating decimal yung percent. Ang 18% ay katumbas ng 0.18. And then, substitute. 3,600 multiplied by 0.18, 648 ang sales tax nito. Which will give us a total price of, let's add the actual and the sales tax, 3,600 by 648, total price is 4,248. Ngayon, ating tingnan ang third row. So, sabi diyan, 6% yung rate ng sales tax and 510 yung aking binayarang sales tax. Ano kaya ang actual price nito? So, again, according sa ating magic triangle, the actual price is equivalent to sales tax divided by the rate of sales tax. Before we substitute, convert muna ang percent into decimal. So, ang 6% ay katumbas ng 0.06. Let's substitute. Ang sales tax ay 510. Ang rate of sales tax ay 0.06. And the quotient of 510 and 0.06 is 8,500. Ang actual price niyan ay 8,500. Which means, ang total price na binayaran ko, kung ako ay naka-receive ng actual price na 8,500 at the rate of 6% sales tax, which is equivalent to 510, ay 8,500 plus 510 is 9,010. Yan. Ano, ganun lang siya. So, para mas maging magaling pa tayo sa pagkakompute ng tax, i-level up natin. Sabi dito, Jay and Kian decided to eat at Jollibee. The total cost of their meal is 4,550 pesos plus a 12% VAT or sales tax. How much will be the sales tax? Okay, paano natin kukumputin yon? So, 3-step problem solving tayo. Identify the given. Hanapin natin itong tatlong to, yung actual price, yung rate of sales tax, and sales tax. Sabi dito, ang total cost daw is yung 4,550 plus 12%. Meaning yung 4,550 ay actual price. And yung 12%, yan yung ating rate of sales tax. So, meaning hinahanap natin yung sales tax or magkano yung idadagdag na bayad dito sa 4,550. So, nawawala ang sales tax. Dahil alam na natin yung nawawala, we may proceed to step number 2. So, substitute na tayo sa formula. And since sales tax yung nawawala, ang formula natin dyan is sales tax is equivalent to the actual price multiplied the rate of sales tax. Ngayon, isubstitute na natin itong mga given. So, ang actual price is 4,550. Ang rate of sales tax ay i-convert muna natin into decimal bago natin isubstitute, which is 0.12. And ang ating sales tax ay nawawala. So, N. Nakapag-substitute na tayo, step 3 na tayo. Final step, let's solve. I-multiply lang natin yung 4,550 by 0.12. It will give us 546 pesos. Which means, the sales tax for their meal is 546 pesos. And if gusto nyong malaman yung total na babayaran ng dalawa, simply add the 4,550, which is our actual price, by the 546, which is our sales tax. And ang total na kailangan nilang bayaran dyan ay 5,096 pesos. Ngayon, tingnan naman natin itong problem number 2. So, ito naman ay same scenario nung kanina. Iba lang yung given at iba lang yung hinahanap nating nawawala para makita natin kung yung mga formula na ginagamit natin ay tama. Okay. Sabi dyan, you and your friends decided to eat at Jollibee. The receipt says that the actual cost of your meal is only 4,550 pesos. But you need to pay 5,096 pesos because of tax. What is the rate of sales tax? So, again, ganun lang. Step 1, hanapin lang natin itong tatlong to. So, yung actual price daw is 4,550 pesos. But we need to pay 5,096 pesos. So, hindi ito sales tax, Kasi ito ay total na kailangan nating bayaran. So, this is our total price. Therefore, from the total price, dahil meron naman tayong actual price, pwede nating mahanap yung sales tax gamit yung dalawang yon. We just simply subtract the total price by the actual price. Yung maiiwan doon, yun yung naidagdag na sales tax, which is 546. Okay? So, minsan ang mga given natin dyan is hindi siya talaga makikita agad. You need to do something like solving first para makita natin yung hidden na given. Like this one, 546, nakatago siya sa gitna ng 5,096 at 4,550 rather. So, ayun. So, ingat tayo sa mga ganon. Now, hinahanap natin ang rate of sales tax. Since yan ang nawawala, pwede natin gamitin ang formula na rate of sales tax is equivalent to sales tax divided by actual price. And since yan ay rate, kailangan naka-percent, i-multiply natin yan by 100. Let's substitute. So, ang ating actual price is 4,550. Ang ating rate ay nawawala. And ang sales tax natin, from knowing the total and the actual price, ay nakuha natin ay 546. Step 3 na tayo, solve lang natin to. For 546 divided by 4,550, 0.12 ang sagot. Multiplied by 100, meaning 12% pala ang rate of sales tax natin dito. Yan, let's have our last problem. So, same scenario lang din. Kaso dito, alam natin na 546 pesos yung idinagdag sa actual price ng meal because of a 12% rate of sales tax or 12% VAT, value added tax. Ano kaya yung actual price ng meal kung wala yung tax na yon? Okay? So, identify natin yung given. Yung 546, yan ay sales tax natin. Yan yung tax na idinagdag na sa ating babayaran. And yung 12%, yan yung ating rate of sales tax. So, hinahanap yung actual price. And which means, dahil actual price ang nawawala, we may use the formula. Actual price is equivalent to sales tax divided by rate of sales tax. Now, isubstitute lamang natin yung mga given dito sa ating formula. Okay? So, yung actual price ay nawawala. And ang ating rate of sales tax, convert muna natin sa decimal, which is 0.12. Yan yung ating isa-substitute sa rate of sales tax. And ang sales tax ay 546. Step 3, solving na tayo. Divide lang natin ang 546 by 0.12. It will give us 4,550. So, yun yung kanina So, which means tama yung mga process na ginagawa natin. And therefore, ang sagot natin sa problem number 3 ay the actual price of the meal is 4,550 pesos if tax is not added. At para mas masanay pa tayo sa kung paano nagpa-problem solving involving sales tax, try nating sagutan itong dalawang problems na ito. So, ganun lang ulit. Pause lang natin yung video and pag may sagot ka na, balik ka dito para tingnan natin kung tama ka. Okay? So, pwede mo nang i-pause ang video. Okay, ayan. Mukhang nakabalik ka na. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang sagot dito. Sabi sa problem 1, the actual price of the grocery item is 3,000 pesos but Jaister pays an extra 600 pesos due to tax. What is the tax rate of his grocery? So, alamin muna natin yung tatlong to, yung mga given. So, yung 3,000 is the actual price. Nabanggit naman siya, openly stated siya. And nagbayad daw siya ng extra 600. Yan yung ating sales tax. Which means, nagbayad pala siya ng total na 3,600. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin, gaano kalaki yung rate of sales tax nitong grocery niya. So, because of that, pwede natin gamitin yung formula na rate of sales tax is equivalent to sales tax divided by actual price times 100. So, isolve lang natin yon. Substitute natin yung actual price, 3,000. And then, nawawala yung rate of sales tax. And ang sales tax ay 600. We solve 600 divided by 3,000, 0.2. Multiplied by 100, meaning ang tax dito ay 20%. At sa number 2, after eating in a fast food, Yuna pays an extra 180 pesos because of 8% tax. How much is the actual cost of her food? Hanapin muna natin yung given para hindi tayo malito. So, una, yung 180 pesos, yan ay ating sales tax kasi yan yung extra daw na binayad because of the tax. At yung 8%, yan yung ating tax. So, ang hinahanap is yung actual price. Dahil yan ang hinahanap, pwede natin gamitin ang formula. Actual price is equivalent to sales tax divided by rate of sales tax. Substitute lang natin. Ang actual price ay nawawala. So, N. Ang rate of sales tax, convert natin into decimal, which is 0.08 bago natin i-substitute. Ang sales tax ay 108. And if you find the quotient of 180 and 0.08, that's 2,250. The actual cost of Yuna's food ay 2,250 pesos. At yun lang naman yon para sa video na to, ang mga patungkol sa ating problems sa sales tax. So sana ay makalaya na kayo sa sa ating mga kalituhan sa pamamagitan ng panonood ng video na ito. Sana ay may naitulong ito ngayon sa inyong pag-aaral. Sana natulungan kayo nito mga Earthlings. Yun lang naman. Bye!